What's up, guys? Welcome back. Shadow from Sonic. Was it 2 or 3? Can't remember now. The Sonic movies. So, Keanu Reeves, great character. Let's draw him. We're going to go full body this time. Drawn him a few times close up. I don't think I've done a full body really. So let's try this one. Landscape page. This would work very well, obviously, on a portrait page as well. So, let's go. So I'm going to start with like his big eye. Okay, and his head just up here. So we're going to do like a check mark sort of a shape. So it curves here and it goes up, sort of back this way. And you might have like some little sort of frowning lines just here. He is like real hairy. So this then comes around his white eye down this way. So you're just making this line kind of bigger. And then it comes around the bottom of his eye. And then up into his frown again. So it connects the whole way around. He has that little sort of red section in here. So it's like a little spike of red. Just kind of hairy, just in there. It's like a little hook. Okay, so he's got that long disc eye. So it's like a very thin circle. So it'll curve down here. And it'll go up the other side. In there. You don't have to leave that open, but sometimes it looks cooler if you do. But it's optional. You could close it off, obviously. And then he has a black pupil. Very thin. Just inside that. So his other eye, so he's in 3/4, so this eye's kind of smaller, right? So we do the frown again, but it goes this way this time. Up, like that. And then his white part of his eye comes down. This one's thinner because his head is kind of turned away from us. And then we go into here. And then this is kind of his nose line as well, but it's kind of like the eye and the nose line. And then he has some of those frown lines just going that way. And we have a bit of that red sort of coloring on his hair just in here as well. It's like a little spike coming down. So on this eye, he's looking over to the left-hand side. So he's like the red of his eye is in here, real close to his nose. So we just bring it down around. In there. And you can just see a little bit of the bottom part of his pupil. Just in there. So we got his nose then. So it's that sort of, what would you call it? It's like, yeah, it's a round sort of thing. So it starts here and comes around. Right, and then just close that off. And we have a nostril sort of in here somewhere. So we get like his, so he's got like a line just around the edge of his eye. And then like a little furry section that's like on his nose here. It's just hair, you know, so it's kind of scratchy looking. And then his mouth, so he's gritting his teeth, right? So kind of like curves around here. And then comes up and down. So it looks like his mouth is closed, but we'll open it up. So we'll add a little section that we can draw some teeth into. It's just like a little open white part. You can leave it just like that if you want. But another option is to just draw some teeth in there. And it just makes him look like he's like more serious. So the shape for his face then. So starting, I'd say like just here, you can have his like, see his cheek. Just mark that. And then this can, it'll reach like the cheek on the other side. So like all the way over here. And then it just kind of swoops around. So you just sort of join those together underneath his mouth. Okay, and then this eventually like goes into like one of his big spikes that's here. But again, we have like a little pink furry section, so it's like his face fur, and it just comes around. It's kind of like hairy like this on his nose. And then we get from here, we go up the side of his face. So this will eventually get up to like his forehead. And his ear. Sticks out here, right? And it's kind of like, it's kind of furry, but you can, that's optional. You don't have to do the fur if you don't want to. You could just keep it smooth. And then, so we have the peach sort of color that's inside, kind of like his face. So it's just a little triangle in here with some fur just going down that way. So then from here, we have the largest big hair spike that he has. And again, you can do it kind of scratchy and hairy if you want. That's perfectly fine because he is hairy. And then this comes back down behind, kind of towards his other ear, which is kind of above this part of his eye. So we'll add that. So we'll just do a little sort of triangle in here. And then we have the peach inside. Some black hair just coming across the front. So we get more spikes coming down this way. One there, and then another. Like so. Then we can just see the back of one. Kind of there. And it might like, there might be a bit of fur of it, so it probably like swoops around maybe. Well, kind of like in there maybe. He's one that sticks off here, but it's like behind his head, so it's kind of round looking. Just goes in behind his neck somewhere there. If you want, you can mark where his red stripe is in the middle and kind of on these ones as well, if you want. It's optional. But it's done with red color, you know, so you don't have to draw the black line if you don't want to. You could do it with your colors if you're using color. But if you're shading with pencil, you should probably mark it out. And then down here. And then up here. Sometimes you might have little like textures, little dots like this, just on his fur, but you can do that if you want. That's his head. Try for the body now. So he's got that furry triangle, just this little spiky thing that's on his chest. It's kind of hairy. And then his chest comes down this way, joins his like midsection of his body. And then we get a leg going off this way. And then the other side of his body here. And then his leg starts to go down this side. Very simple. No like anatomy really. It's just like tubes for legs. Like that. They're slightly hairy. Again, that's kind of like an optional thing if you want to do that. So that's like the body shape. So his arms. One arm coming out this way. The other arm kind of sticks out from his chest and you can only see like the wrist, basically. And then everything else is like gloves and his sneakers. We can see actually another spike down behind this hand. Another sort of Sonic type spike. Oh, when his tail isn't there, but it's behind his hand. Okay, maybe we'll deal with hands first. So he's got big gloves, so we get like the wristband thing. And then the gold part of it. We get like the bottom of his hand sort of here. And then his thumb. Because he's forming fists. Hand comes up this way, around for knuckles. Not that knuckles, this knuckles. And then the bottoms of these fingers just curvy. And back that way. Do 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 do. So his other hand is kind of out like this. So he's like a claw-like situation. So again, we have his wrist part of his glove, and then the gold ring just coming around that. It's got like a line in the middle, like glowing sort of white kind of line. Okay, so the back of his hand kind of swoops around this way, right? Then we get his thumb coming out here. Hands are tricky, so you know, take your time. Hit pause a lot. So his thumb just kind of goes back this way. And then we have a finger kind of coming out here, coming towards us. And then the next one. Do-do-do-do-do. And then the next one. And then the last. Might be like some glove lines on the inside of the thumb. And just that one, that's all I can see. And then we can add his tail, so he's got like a little tail here. And then incredibly detailed runners, sneakers, depending on how you call them, depending on what we call them, runners in Ireland. But I know there's different names for them, so they're detailed. We can simplify them. So again, he's got like a similar color pattern as he does on his wrist, on his ankle. So there's like the top of it here. It's like red and black. And then we have a gold ring again. Okay. We'll do that on this one as well. Why not? While we're used to the shape of it. And then the gold part swoops around. Leave the top of it then as well. Then we have a line that comes across the middle. Okay, so we have one shoe coming towards us and one shoe on the side. Okay, so the one on the side. So say we have this big red part at the top, just here below this. And this comes down here, swoops around like kind of like a mustache or something. And then the bottom of this comes down into here, and then you have like a gold circle, like two circles even, like a double thing. And then these have all like edge lines and stuff. They're super detailed. You know, there's all lines and stuff on them, but that's optional. You don't have to do all that. Then the side of the shoe comes up this way, joins his ankle again, bumps a couple of times. And then there's no laces, but there's like a place where laces would be, sort of in there. And then some little sort of detail lines that come around the boot or the shoe just here. Okay. And they're kind of dirty, you know, they're kind of like scratched up a bit, like he's been running a lot. So in the other one, it's kind of on the side, right? So kind of goes down, bumps down to the back of the heel there, two little bumps. And then we go to the front and we have this square thing, but we're looking at it from the side this time. So it's a different shape. So it comes down, in, up and over that circle part now. See that? That's what it's like in here. And then this curves around the base of the boot or shoe, up. And you could have like little sort of boxes in here, you know, that sort of just show the sole of his shoe. It's funny that they're called soles, isn't it? And then, so the heel, so we go that way. And then I think the heel just kind of like sticks out here. And then the red part joins there. And then there's like some extra little detail lines, like some edge lines and all that kind of thing. And some dirt and scratches and little bumps and things. And then we have some black and white sections. One there, one here, and then one going up this way. Oh, and there's like, yeah, extra details like this, the laces area again. You can scratch it up as much as you'd like. Shadow, full body. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.